Hi there, welcome to PMN Online. In this video, we are going to cover Obsidian versus Notion, best Notion alternative in AI era, and which should you use actually. In today's digital age, note-taking and productivity apps have become essential tools for both personal and professional use. With so many options available, navigating this landscape can be overwhelming. Two apps that have gained significant attention are Obsidian and Notion. Each offers unique features, and both have garnered a loyal user base. In this video, we'll compare these two apps, helping you decide which one might be the best fit for your needs, especially in this era where AI is becoming increasingly integrated into our workflows. Let's start with understanding the core philosophy behind each app. Obsidian and Notion are both designed to help you organize your thoughts, but approach this task in distinct ways. Obsidian is all about creating a network of interconnected notes, much like building a personal wiki. It's designed to serve as your second brain, where you can store and link all your ideas seamlessly. This makes it particularly appealing to those who love structuring their thoughts in a nonlinear fashion. On the other hand, Notion is akin to a Swiss Army knife for productivity. It's incredibly versatile and can be adapted to serve various purposes, from simple note-taking to comprehensive project management. This flexibility makes Notion a standout choice for individuals and teams who need an all-in-one solution for their organizational needs. When it comes to the user interface, there are notable differences. Opening Obsidian for the first time can be a bit daunting. It offers a minimalist look, but has a steep learning curve. You're essentially starting with a blank canvas, which can be both exciting and intimidating. In contrast, Notion greets users with a more user-friendly interface, complete with templates and pre-built layouts. This makes it easier to dive right in, especially if you're unsure how to organize your projects initially. One of the standout features of Obsidian is its graph view. Imagine being able to visualize all your notes as a web of interconnected ideas. It's like having a map of your brain, allowing you to see how different concepts link together, potentially sparking insights you might have missed. This feature is a game changer for researchers, writers, or anyone dealing with complex, interrelated information. Notion, while not offering a graph view, does provide various ways to visualize data, such as Kanban boards and calendars, which can be highly effective for project management. In terms of handling content types, Notion excels in creating visually appealing documents. It employs a block-based system that allows you to easily drag and drop elements like text, images, tables, and even embedded videos to craft rich multimedia pages. This capability is excellent for generating project plans, wikis, or even simple websites. Obsidian, while capable of managing various content types, is more text-focused, leveraging Markdown for formatting. Markdown is straightforward, but may require some learning if you're new to it. A significant difference between the two apps lies in their approach to data storage. Obsidian is a local-first app, meaning your notes are stored directly on your computer. This offers advantages such as offline access and complete control over your data, which is ideal if privacy is a concern. Conversely, Notion is cloud-based, requiring an internet connection to access your data. However, this also means you can easily collaborate with others and access your notes from any device, a major plus if you work in a team setting. Speaking of collaboration, Notion is designed with teamwork in mind. You can effortlessly share pages or entire workspaces and collaborate on documents in real time, much like an enhanced version of Google Docs. Obsidian, being more of a personal tool, lacks built-in collaboration features, though you can sync notes across devices using third-party services. Customization is another area where both apps shine, albeit differently. Obsidian boasts a vibrant community of developers creating plugins and themes. If you enjoy tinkering, you can modify Obsidian extensively to suit your needs, from adding a calendar view to altering the app's appearance. Notion's customization revolves around structuring your workspace. You can build custom databases, link pages, and create templates, allowing for complex systems tailored to your needs. In the AI era, having smart assistants is increasingly important. Notion has introduced Notion AI, which can help with tasks like summarizing text, generating ideas, or even drafting content, acting as a smart assistant within your workspace. While Obsidian doesn't have built-in AI features, community plugins can add some AI functionality. If AI assistance is crucial for you, Notion may have the edge here. Considering different types of work, Obsidian might be more suitable for writers working on books or long-form projects. Its ability to link notes and ideas aids in organizing complex narratives or research, and local storage means you won't be disrupted by internet outages. For those managing projects or running a small business, Notion's database features and collaborative tools can be more beneficial. You can create task boards, track inventory, manage customer relationships, and more, all in one place. Both Obsidian and Notion offer mobile apps, but the experiences differ. Obsidian's mobile app mirrors the desktop version, suitable for quick thoughts or reviewing notes, though it might feel cramped for extensive work. Notion's app, while less comprehensive than its desktop counterpart, is more polished and user-friendly on smaller screens, perfect for quick project check-ins or capturing ideas on the go. Pricing is a crucial factor for many users. Obsidian is free for personal use, with paid options for commercial use and add-ons like Obsidian Sync for cross-device syncing. Notion offers a generous free plan with unlimited pages and blocks, but advanced features and team collaboration require a paid plan. The pricing is reasonable, especially given Notion's versatility, but worth considering if you're on a budget. Regarding learning curves, Obsidian's focus on linked notes and Markdown may take time to master, especially if you're unfamiliar with these concepts. However, once learned, it becomes an incredibly powerful tool. Notion, while feature-rich, is generally easier to pick up thanks to its intuitive interface and templates, though maximizing its potential requires learning about databases, automations, and workspace customization. For long-term use, Obsidian offers future-proofing as notes are stored as plain text files, accessible even if the app ceases development. Notion, being cloud-based, doesn't provide the same level of future-proofing, but it does offer various export options for data retrieval if needed. In terms of speed, Obsidian, being a local app, generally offers faster performance, especially with large note volumes. There's no lag when opening files or searching through your vault. Notion, while usually smooth, can feel sluggish with complex databases or slow internet, something to keep in mind for data-heavy work or if speed is critical. So, which app should you choose? It ultimately depends on your needs. If you seek a customizable tool for personal note-taking and knowledge management, Obsidian's local-first approach and advanced linking might be your best bet. However, if you need a versatile tool for note-taking and project management with strong collaboration features, Notion could be the better choice. Both Obsidian and Notion are excellent tools, so trying them both is the best way to see which aligns with your workflow. Hopefully, this tutorial helped you understand Obsidian versus Notion, best Notion alternative in AI era, and which should you use actually, quickly and easily. For more helpful guides like this, be sure to subscribe to PMN Online.